my Smarties, and welcome back to Smart Boy. And today we're going to be doing a different wash this time. So about a year ago I did a service wash because of my 200 subscriber special, and now I'm going to do it again just to make sure that the washer is doing okay. So this is engineering works only, so I'm just doing a test mode on this Bush WMDF612W. Please subscribe if you want more wash videos. So the way that you do it, if some of you don't know how to do a surface wash, this is how you do it. So you need to turn the dial to 90 before you do any of that. You've got to make sure there are no clothes in the washing machine, then close the door, then turn it to 90, and then quickly hold daily timer. There we go. And now it's going to be doing a surface wash. And it's going to add some water to it as well. So go to 1200 RPM spin. Now it's saying rinse. And now it says end. We'll turn it off for now and we'll drain the water out. We'll turn it to spin so we can drain the water out. Okay. So just gotta give this washing machine a drain. So yeah, that's how you do a service wash on this Bush WMDF612W. Okay. So it's already drained, we don't need to do a spin. But anyways, the door will unlock in a minute. So anyway, my Smarties, I hope you enjoyed this quick, my Smarties, I hope you enjoyed watching this Bush WMDF612W service wash video. It's my second time doing it actually. And I did my first one when I did my 200 subscriber special. And now I'm doing it at 747 subscribers. So anyway, my Smarties, please subscribe for the meantime. Please give this video a like for the meantime as well. And click that little bell so then you can get all notifications from me. And I'll see you soon, my Smarties.